channel. Добро пожаловать and Lavdian. Today I want to show you how to make this delicious waffle cake with honey and chocolate. It's really nice, very delicious, quite strong honey and nut flavor. And if you like waffle cakes, I know you're gonna love this recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, add sugar. Then you want to add cocoa powder. And we're going to mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. You don't want to have any lumps, so just mix everything and it's good to go. We're going to set this aside. Now in a small pot, add your butter and then honey. Feel free to use any honey with any flavor that you usually like. And then we're going to place this onto our stove and cook this for about 5 minutes until the butter completely melts. So keep whisking a little bit at a time and just making sure that it's all incorporated and together. Then you want to whisk everything and we're going to start adding our dry mixture 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, and then mixing it all together and then kind of repeating the process until you've finished with your dry mixture. We're doing this in stages to make sure there are no lumps while you're mixing the mixture, so it's better to be patient and do it in stages. You will see the mixture will start to thicken up and look very glossy and chocolatey. Set a little bit of mixture aside. This will be for decorating the cake at the very end. And then with the rest of the mixture, I'm going to add walnuts. You can also add any other nuts that you like, but I find the walnuts work really well. You want to cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until the nuts soften. And then we're going to take it off the heat and place this into our food processor and blitz this until the nuts crush a little bit and they're bite-sized pieces. Otherwise it will be very hard to spread it onto our waffles. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, I'm taking my waffles and I'm adding quite a generous amount of the honey chocolate nutty mixture and spreading it around. And you do want to add around 2 large tablespoons and kind of go around with every single waffle and repeat the process until your whole mixture is gone and all the chocolate is gone as well. It's quite a messy process, so don't worry about getting your plates dirty because you can always transfer it to a nice and clean plate. Then add your chocolate glaze mixture on top and spread it around evenly until you cover the cake from the top and a little bit from the side. It's gonna have quite a rustic and rough look. It's not gonna be perfect because waffles, need time to soften. However, with this recipe, they'll still be crunchy and it's really delicious. Once you're done, decorate it with some hazelnut praline, or you can add anything else that you like or feel like you want to decorate your cake with. I'm adding some white chocolate chips. I'm also adding some whipped vanilla cream and making it in a nice flower shape. I just think it looks very pretty. So there you go, guys. Beautiful waffle chocolate honey cake. It's best to leave it aside for a few hours in a room temperature. You can also put this into the fridge. And then when you cut inside, it will be quite soft but also a bit crunchy. You can clearly see all the layers with the chocolate nuts and waffles. And I really love this cake. It's very unusual, very different, and all the flavors really kind of come through together through the cake. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon.